what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Zillow API key. So in the search bar, just search for Zillow API, and from the list of links, just click on this link to enter the Zillow Group Developers page. So as you can see here, you have a few options in which API you want to get. Say for example, we're going to try to get this MLS and broker listings and reviews API. And as you can see here, we have this link here, and we will be redirected to the bridgedataoutput.com to register for a new account. So all you have to do is just fill in all the necessary information. Then once done, just click on next. Also fill in the necessary details in this page. Once you're done signing up for an account, just log into your account. You will then be redirected to your dashboard, and on the top of the screen, you should be able to see API access. Just click on it, and this is where you can get your API access key. You can also click on Show Token to view other API keys. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!